Good morning, students. Today, in our social science class, today we will discuss chapter number first, the rise of nationalism in Europe. In this chapter, we will discuss the French Revolution and the idea of the nation, the making of nationalism in Europe, the age of revolution 1830 to 1848, the making of Germany and Italy, visualizing the nation, and nationalism and imperialism. First topic of this chapter, Frederic Sérieux vision of world. Frederic Sérieux, a French artist, in 1848 prepared a series of 4 prints visualizing his dream of a world made up of democratic and social republics. The first point, the first print showed the people of Europe and America marching in a long train and offering homage to the Statue of Liberty as they passed it. The torch of alignment was carried by a female figure in one hand and Charter of the Rights of Man in the other. Second point, on the earth in the foreground lay the shattered remains of the symbol of absolutist institutions. Third point, in series utopian vision, the people of the world are grouped as distinct nations identified through their flags and nation custom. This is a painting. Fourth point, the procession was led by the United States and Switzerland, followed by France, Germany, following the German people, the people of Austria, the Kingdom of Two Sicilies, Lombardy, Poland, England, Ireland, Hungary, and Russia. Fifth number point, from the heavens above, Christ sent angels gaze upon the scenes. They have been used by the artist to symbolize fraternity among the nations of the world. During the 19th century, nationalism emerged as a force which brought huge changes in the political and mental world of Europe. The end result of these changes was the emergence of the nation state. Yes, next topic from this chapter, the French Revolution and the idea of the nation. In 1789, nationalism came with French Revolution and political and constitutional changes led to the transfer of sovereignty from the monarchy to a body of French citizens. Various measures and practices were introduced such as the ideas of law patent, like the fatherland, and les citoyens, the citizen. A new French flag, the tricolor, was chosen to replace the former one. Second point, democracy destroyed in France by Napoleon and the Civil Code of 1804, known as Napoleonic Code, did away with all privileges based on birth, established equality before law, and secured the right to property. Yes, next topic, the making of nationalism in Europe. Germany, Italy, and Switzerland were divided into kingdoms, duchies, and cantons, whose rulers had their autonomous territories. The first subtopic of this topic, the aristocracy and the new middle class. The aristocracy was the dominant class on the continent politically and socially. The majority of the population was made up of the peasant. Industrialization began in England in the second half of the 18th century. New social groups came into being, a working class population and middle class made up of industrialists, businessmen and professionals. Yes, next. Liberal nationalism. The term liberalization derived from the Latin root liber meaning free. The right to vote and to get elected was guaranteed exclusively to property owning men. Men without property and all women were excluded from political rights. In 1834, a customs union or Zollverein was formed at initiative of Prussia and joined by most of the German states. The union abolished tariff barriers and reduced the number of currencies from over 30 to. Yes, next topic. A new conservatism after 1815. In 1815, European governments were driven by the spirit of conservatism. Conservatives believed in monarchy, the church social hierarchy, property, and that the family should be preserved. The modern army and efficient bureaucracy, a dynamic economy, the abolition of feudalism and serfdom could strengthen the autocratic monarchies of Europe. In 1815, representatives of the European powers, Britain, Russia, Prussia, and Austria, met in Vienna to draw up a settlement of Europe. The Bourbon dynasty was destroyed to part and France lost the territories it had annexed under Napoleon. The major issue taken up by liberal nationalists who criticized the new conservative order was freedom of the press. The revolutionaries. In 1815, the secret society were formed in many European states to train revolutionaries and spread their ideas. Revolutionaries opposed monarchical forms, fight for liberty and freedom. The Italian revolutionary Giuseppe Mazzini, born in Genoa in 1807, founded two more underground societies, first Young Italy and in Brazil. The second, he found Young Europe in Bern, whose members were like-minded young men from Poland, France, Italy, and German state. Other next topic we will discuss in next video. Thank you.